Hey! Welcome back. PA Life-Adelic. I need someplace to keep all my badass stuff. Let's see if I can figure something out. Alright, I got this over-the-door shoe organizer from the Temus. I'm going to put it on the back of this closet door. I'm going to put all of our stuff, batteries, eyeglass wipes, all kinds of crap you just want to grab and go. Check it out! I can move some of this stuff that's cluttered up this that I had intended to make less clutter in there. So I'll move it over there. Folks can grab it easy. There you go. Everything within arm's reach. Grab and go. Pretty cool. I'm going to add some extra storage with this gadget from the Temus. So it'll just hang on the clothes rod over the edge there. I got to clean out some space. I don't use most of these coats. So it should fit right in there with these coats, and I can put a bunch more crap in there. There we go. Another place. Put some crap. Next step. Heading out to the shed. I'm going to put together a little piece. So, here's a little something got from the Temus. I'm going to put that on the door of our pantry. Now, I'm not going to hang it over the door like this. I'm going to cut that piece off, and I'm going to take a nut and a bolt and put it all the way through the door to attach that to the top. Or we just put a little screw in the bottom there. Because that door's kind of tight, and I don't want that to be rubbing all the time. Plus, I think that nut and bolt will hold more weight. Because we do tend to overload our storage systems. Back in the house. I'm going to put a zip tie around this part, help that stay on there. There we go. Stuff will be easy to grab now. Alright, looks like I figured it out. Maybe you can use some of those same ideas. Keep your badass shit where you can get it.